Hi, so in this video we're going to look at some examples of percentage increase and decrease. So the first one we're going to look at is simple interest, which is where the amount of interest is fixed over a period of time. For example, if you were to save £100 at 5% simple interest, you would earn £5 per year every year. So it's important to note with simple interest, the amount earned will stay the same every year. So we're going to find the simple interest when £1,000 is invested at 5% per annum, which means per year, for just 1 year. So to work out 5%, first of all, we're going to work out what 10% is, because this is an easy one. So 1,000 divided by 10 gives us £100. So 10% is £100. So now we can work out what 5% is by dividing that £100 by 2 to give us £50. So in 1 year, the interest earned is £50. Following on from the previous question, what would be the simple interest when £1,000 is invested at 5% per annum for 5 years? So we just worked out that per year you would earn £50 per annum. So over 5 years, you would earn 5 lots of £50, which is £250. So now we're going to find the simple interest when £200 is invested at 5% per annum for 1 year, for 2 years, and then for 3 years. So the first thing we'll do is work out 10% of 200 by dividing 200 by 10, which gives us £20. And then this helps us to find 5%, because if we divide the 20 by 2 to give us £10, this is 5% of 200. So that is the amount of interest you would earn over 1 year, so £10. So for 2 years, we just double it, so £20. And for 3 years, we times it by 3, which gives us £30. The next thing we'll look at is VAT. I'm sure you've heard of it. It stands for value added tax, and it adds to the cost of nearly everything that you buy in the UK. And for most items, it's currently at 20%, which makes the sums quite easy. It used to be 17.5, which was a little bit more tricky. So if a laptop costs £340 plus VAT at 20%, what would be the total cost? So we're going to use our 10% trick again. We're going to work out 10% by dividing £340 by 10 to give us £34. And then we're going to double it to give us £20. So 34 doubled is 68. So the VAT is £68, but because it's asking for the total cost, we're going to add 340 and 68 to give us £408. So the final example, we're going to look at discounts. So the previous two, we were adding money on. This time, we're going to take money off. So there is a 25% discount on all t-shirts in the sale. If a t-shirt usually costs £20, how much would it cost in the sale? So to work out 25%, there are different ways you can do it, but one way is just dividing by 4, or doing half and half again. So if we divide 20 by 4, we get £5. So that means that the 25% discount is £5. So the new price of the t-shirt is 20, take away £5, which gives us £15. And there are other ways you could work out 25%. You could work out 2 lots of 10% and a 5%, and I'm sure you can think of others.